trying to get the starter on this car fixed, and now when I hook up the battery, it just keeps making this sound. When I remove one of the, when I take off one, like the key's not even in the car. So now the sound stops. When it's tightened, it does that. And I just changed. I just changed the starter, and now it's doing this. So I'm not too sure what's going on now. If there's anybody that can help me out, just let you know. Thanks for any tips. I done changed the starter. I done made sure the ground's tight on both the pieces on the bottom, and yeah.